Most people get this wrong. They assume UrbanPay Later is just a typical buy now pay later service. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's more than that. It's a flexible financial platform offering early access to funds, short-term installment plans, and spending insights to help you manage money smarter. Here's how it works. UrbanPay Later allows you to split purchases into smaller, manageable payments or access a portion of your earned wages before payday. This makes covering urgent bills or larger expenses much easier without relying on high-interest credit cards. Repayments are scheduled automatically, and you can track everything from the dashboard, which provides a clear view of your upcoming obligations. The app is intuitive, with notifications to remind you about due payments. This helps prevent late fees and ensures you stay on top of your finances. The downside, overuse or missed payments can result in fees and higher overall costs. Treat UrbanPay Later as a short-term solution rather than a permanent financial strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only use what you can realistically repay. 2. Enable reminders to track upcoming payments. 3. Keep an emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Users with regular income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. People with irregular income or repayment issues may find fees outweigh convenience. In conclusion, UrbanPay Later in 2026 is practical and user-friendly, but only if used wisely. Plan your repayments, track spending, and treat it as a helpful financial tool, not a crutch. Subscribe for honest app reviews and money tips to stay financially in control.